Mixed conditionals mix different time references in one sentence. They combine past and present time frames to express unreal situations that connect across time. The if clause and main clause refer to different times, creating complex hypothetical ideas. Mixed conditionals combine two different time references in the if clause and main clause. They express complex ideas about real or unreal situations across past, present, and future time. They mix past and present time frames in one sentence to show how one time affects another. Type 1 uses past perfect in the if clause and would plus base verb in the main clause. This talks about past actions affecting present results. Type 2 uses past simple in the if clause and would have plus past participle in the main clause. This talks about present situations affecting past results. If I had gone to bed earlier, I would not be so tired now. Past perfect in the if clause shows the past action. Would plus base verb shows the present result. If she were more organized, she would have finished the project on time. Past simple in the if clause shows present situation. Would have plus past participle shows past result. Complete these mixed conditional sentences. Fill in the correct verb forms. Notice which type uses past perfect and which uses past simple. Pay attention to whether the result is present or past. Think about the time relationship between each clause. Here are the correct answers. If she had trained harder, she would be competing today. Past perfect for past condition, present result. If they were not so disorganized, they would have submitted the form on time. Present condition, past result. If I had not forgotten my wallet, I would not be stuck here now. Use past perfect tense in the if clause for past situations affecting the present. Use past simple tense in the if clause for present situations impacting the past. Main clause uses would plus base verb or would have plus past participle depending on time reference. They express unreal hypothetical scenarios across different time frames. Test your understanding with this final quiz. Complete the sentence. If I had gone to the university in Spain, I would speak Spanish fluently now. Identify the error. If she would be more organized. He would not be so nervous now if he had prepared better last week. Mixed conditionals express complex time relationships and hypothetical scenarios clearly. Practice by creating your own sentences, correcting errors, and using them in conversation. Explore interactive courses and regular speaking practice to build confidence and mastery. You have completed the Mixed Conditionals lesson from English Learning from Scratch series. Practice these structures regularly to express complex time relationships naturally. Keep building your English grammar skills.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.